See, hardening, heating, quick cooling. Okay. Tempering, after hardening, reheating, quick cooling. Handling, heating, soaking you can do anywhere. When you heat करता हुआ soaking time दो पर लगता है थोड़ा time hold for the certain temperature. Heating, soaking and slow cooling. Handling, normalizing, heating, soaking and keeping cooling in a normal condition, room temperature. Room temperature is normal. Okay, there is no extra cooling things. Cooling rate fast problem. So these are the 4 heat treatment basic processes. Right? So we see that typical heat cycle, heat treating process, handling, normalizing, hardening. In detail, we'll see tempering, stage of tempering, case hardening. Now temperature stages are there. Different temperature, tempering temperature chart is also there. That you should know. Case hardening means here what metal layer is getting hard, inside metal will remain same. Then various case hardening techniques and tempering and hardened state. आता तुम पढ़े treatment में basically immediately you have to bring the picture of heat, red heat. The picture दाखला पाहिजे. Have you seen? It is the inside the oven actually, or maybe there is a oil dolapur that's a heating oven and it get transparent. This red heat showing you. Suppose you have the product kilo. You finish your product, maybe you prepare gear on milling machine, or you may produce one shaft. Like it's a turning one shaft kilo, step turning a kiwi mal. You did a trading also. A trading mal and shaft kilo. After finishing your process, so finish that material, finished product, you have to do the heating. Right? The patsu kilo that cannot be used. It has to be heated. Otherwise, not small use there will what happen? Change the dimension, shape, anything can possible. After use, it can be bent or some diameter of maybe in the oval shape also check the trade will get damaged if it not meet the heat treatment process. Once you all machining operation over, you have to take that material, that machine part for the heat treatment. It is necessary for permission. Without treatment, we cannot use anything. After the scientific gear, whatever the machine product, it is a heat treatment. अब तुम्ही जे practical करता हो raw material टेका कट करता है, टेका उसमें फाइलिंग करता है, टेका थ्रेडिंग करता है, and you are not doing heat treatment. जो process for the finished product you require heat treatment. Right? Otherwise it's not done. When my hardness is checked, all testing procedure has to be done. See, the definition of heat treatment, basically this software defined that the heat treatment is the process heating and cooling metals to achieve desired physical and mechanical properties through the modification of their crystalline structure. Whatever the heat treatment you are giving, you are modify the internal structure of the metal. Right? Without the internal structure of a grain size, of a motor, barring carbon percent, it getting changed. Take problem heat treatment to get a desired property. See, the temperature, length of the time, and rate of cooling after heat treatment with all impact properties remaining. So these are very important. Heating, then you are holding it some temperature, that is cooling time, then how you are allowing to cool it. Rapid cooling, quick cooling, slow cooling, based on this, they are the internal modification of their crystalline structure. So basically this at the edge of product they are finished products, they keep for the heat. They are the heat they will do the cooling. So purpose of heat treatment, basically we require to do this heat treatment process to increase the hardness and strength. Main hardness strength water for increase the wear and abrasion resistance. This is very important. Wear and abrasion resistance. Gaso begin matter. To increase the wear and abrasion material due to the friction there is a heat produced, so to begin roughness The dimension changes point scratch code of so abrasion is. Re-soften the steel after hardening by heat treatment or by stain hardening. Suppose instead harden the you can restructure the grain side. To adjust the other properties such as electrical and magnetic properties. We need to adjust some electrical and magnetic properties require when you can go for the heat treatment. To reduce the eliminate internal residual stresses. There will be an internal residual stresses that you can modify to induce control compressive residential stress on the surface. Again, there is compressive residential stress on the surface. To stabilize the steel so that it can does not show any change in dimension. This is very important to stabilize the steel product so it does not show change in dimension. If that the diameter whatever dimension finished now, that should not be get changed afterwards. Technical heat treatment here. Once it heat treatment, they might harder. Okay, it retain its shape and size. At a time, most important the processing gauges, die and measuring instrument. For gauge, low gauge, low go limit gauges are it has to be heat treated. Right? The dimension sure dies and measuring instrument. To refine the grain size of steel. Okay, to refine the grain size of steel inside the crystal of the structure, the grain size will be resized. And to produce special microstructure to increase the machinability and corrosion resistance. But produce special microstructure to increase machinability and corrosion resistance. To eliminate the gases, particularly hydrogen. To change the composition of surface steel component to improve the bare fatigue corrosion resistant surface. So basically, why we are giving the heat treatment to the metal because of these so many uses. You have to remember. So now typical heat treating cycle. So this basically is the one cycle here. What about you? This it has to be heat throughout the rest of the metal. So the uniform heat has to be there. So all metal voltage changes forward. All metal you put the forward. Then here pulling to back. Okay. That's and we pulling. This is the thing cycle. It can be very this may be a temperature of statement. आता तुमचं ज्या प्रोसेस all this process work on this heating, then you have to hold it for some time, for hardening, quenching, quick cooling, for annealing, softening, slow cooling, and for the last process what middle normalizing, air cooling, normal, air cooling, and tempering is related to hardening. Means after hardening you have to go for the tempering. Is it clear? Alan, it can clear the The next, the heat treatment process consists of the following stage: heating a metal alloy beyond a critical temperature. It is to above the lower critical temperature, beyond the critical temperature. Soaking means holding the temperature for the sufficient period of time to allow necessary change to occur or internal temperature has to be changed. Then this holding of the metal at temperature is called soaking. Liquid temperature होता है soaking होता है. The length of the time at the temperature is called soaking time, soaking period. And soaking period depends on the chemical analysis of the metal and mass of the product. Now then it's cooling the metal alloy. See, you can see this picture. After giving heat, they do the soaking. They hold for that temperature, bringing and putting in the water. Means this is a quenching, quick cooling. Means you are doing this full metal part hardening. Okay, there is quenching. The rate necessary to obtain the desired properties. So quenching basically is a quick process. You can watch this video.
The series the organized temperature converts the
Okay,
the series held at that temperature for some period to obtain the homogeneous austenite throughout the cross section.
Homogeneous austenite means you need to get all the parts.
Bro code.
You understand?
John.
Sorry? What, Viraj? So, heat treatment process variables, the following are some of the parameters which affect the heat treatment process. So, this heat treatment basically depends on the rate of cooling. How you are cooling, how you allow to cool the metal. From this, heating is up to that state, temperature is increasing throughout. That stage it becomes austenite. At the austenite state, all heating takes place. After it reaches to the austenite state, it will hold for same temperature. Then it will get a homogeneous structure. Homogeneous means एकच बसी metal दबाला एक कडे melt और एक कडे hard आले पता है. It has to be throughout homogeneous means equally has to be heated. Finger red is a thing I read this color. Finger red and thing purple this color. But to get that type of structure, you have to hold for the temperature. That is soaking. And once it's over, then you allow to cooling. Quick cooling, slow cooling depends on the rate of cooling you require. Okay, heat treatments, soaking time, holding time, rate of heating and cooling. Now heat treatment process. Now this process I already explained you before only. This is for just revision purpose. Something I missed. Maybe we can recover. See, depending on the rate of cooling, the various heat treatment process are annealing. They have taken first one annealing process, means making the metal soft. Annealing the heat treatment process involves heating to a predetermined structures, temperature, holding at a temperature for certain time, and finally cooling at a slow rate. So annealing process very slow rate, and it is classified as full annealing, process annealing, and superidizing annealing. This annealing also have a three types: full annealing, process annealing, and superidizing annealing. So normalizing it is a heat treatment process for making material soft, but does not produce the uniform material properties of annealing. Annealing several uniform होता है, but normalizing make it soft also, but it's not uniform process. Material can be normalized by heating it to specific temperature and then letting the